Oh, way to go. Darlinghurst looking for the leader. Around the outside now is Flying With You, running into the Pira, then followed by Chinoy Sobrang Class, then followed by Happy Boomer, while Hurricane Ali is running in the tail of the fielder. Out of straight they travel, Flying With You leads Baha Falang, followed closely by Darlinghurst. 4 lengths back, Pira, and coming closer now. Down in fourth by some 4 lengths, Sobrang Class, Chinoy, Happy Boomer, and Hurricane Ali. Into the back they travel, Flying With You leads Baha Falang, Darlinghurst running second. Pira coming close now in third, down in fourth by some 6 to 7 lengths now, Sobrang Class, Flying With You in front by some 2 lengths now, Pira moving up to take second, Darlinghurst running in third, Sobrang Class coming close now in fourth, Hurricane Ali is running in fifth, inside the last 600, Flying With You still in front, Pira, Hurricane Ali moving up by the wheeler. And towards the final turn is still Flying With You. And pop the question now as Hurricane Ali bounces his way on the outside. And at the last 200, Hurricane Ali now from the outside is Balang, followed by Flying With You. And hitting the finish line is all Hurricane Ali. Flying With You, Sobrang Class, Pira, Happy Boomer, Chinoy, and Darlinghurst.
From dead last, the usual style ni Hurricane Ali, happy birthday kay parin Chito Arceo.